Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Realme model supports Esim and that system updates are installed. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, get your carrier's Esim QR or activation code and ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection so the download won't fail. Make a quick backup of current SIM settings and note IMEI and account login details. This saves time if you must restore. Next, open Settings and navigate to Network and Internet to start adding a mobile plan. I'll guide you through scanning and installing it. Now you install the Esim profile. Go to Settings, right arrow SIMs and Mobile Networks and tap Add Mobile Plan, then select Esim. Scan the carrier QR code or type the activation code when prompted. You'll need to accept permissions for carrier services so provisioning can complete. The phone downloads the profile. This can take a minute, so don't interrupt connectivity. Once installed, assign the Esim to your preferred slot for calls or data, and configure data roaming or APN settings if your carrier requires manual input. Finish by restarting the phone and verifying signal bars, then place a test call and browse to confirm data. If activation fails, make sure APN and network mode match carrier requirements and that the Esim is set as preferred for data or calls as needed. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the phone's EID and IMEI. They can reissue the profile. As a last step, remove the Esim profile in Settings and reinstall it. This often clears residual provisioning errors and restores service.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.